Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for being here. We are back again with another amazing video. I hope you people are doing so well. First of all, I would like to say good morning to all of you. In this video, we are going to give you some tips and we are going to show you some design that you can make in your workshop or at home, and then you can sell it online on the e-commerce store and earn a handsome amount of money by investing your precious time in this wooden art technique. Wooden art and the project have been popular from centuries, and they continue to be valuable source of income for people looking to earn money online. Whether you are seasoned woodworker or just starting out, there are plenty of opportunities to sell your creations and in the interest and earn some extra cash for your kitchen. In this article, we will explore some of the best wooden art and the project ideas that you can sell online, as well as some tips for marketing your creation and building successful online business. First of all, we will go through what you can make with wooden art. You can make a cutting board, wooden sign, picture frame, jewelry boxes, wooden toys and furnitures. Cutting boards are a practical and attractive addition to any kitchen. They can be made from a variety of different types of wood and can be personalized with engraving and the other decorative touches. Cutting boards are relatively easy to make and they can be sold for a good profit online. Wooden signs are popular decoration for home and the business, and they can be customized with different sign and the sayings. They can be made from a variety of different type of wood, and they can be sold at a range of different prices point depend upon their sizes and the complexities in a style. Wood picture frame is another beautiful product that you can sell online. Wooden picture frame are a timeless classic that never goes out of style. They can be made in a variety of different sizes and the styles, and they can be personalized with different type of wood and the finishes. Picture frames are relatively easy to make and they can be sold for a good profit online. Wooden jewelry boxes are a beautiful and the functional gift that can be customized with different type of wood and the finishes. They can be made in a variety of different sizes and the styles, and they can be sold for a good profit online. Wooden toys are a classic that never goes out of style. They can be made in a variety of different style and the sizes. They can be sold for a good profit online. Wooden toys are a great option for parents looking for a natural and the rustic and eco-friendly toys for their kids and the children's. Wooden furniture is a bigger and more complex project, but it can be a great way to earn a higher profit income. Furniture can be made in a variety of different styles and the finishes, and it can be customized to fit different space and the preferences. Creating a website is a great and showcase your woodwork and sell your creation online. You can use website builder like Wix and the other professional looking website, and you can hire web developer or create a custom site for your online woodworking and wood art store. Attending craft fairs and showcase your creativity is a great way to showcase your work and connect with the potential customer. You can sell your creation directly at the fair, and you can use the opportunity to collect leads and build a relationship with the potential customer. By offering customization is a great way to attract customer and differentiate your product from competitors. You can offer personalized engraving, different type of wood or finishes, or other customization option depending upon your product. Collaboration with other artists is a great way to expand your reach and attract a new customer. You can work with other artists to create a unique product, or you can collaborate on a marketing effort to reach your potential audience. In conclusion, wooden art and project can be a great way to earn extra income online while pursuing creative passion. With the wide variety of product to choose from and many ways to market and sell them, there is a plenty of opportunities to success in this field. When creating your wooden art at a project, it's important to focus on quality, craftsmanship, and the personalization. Customers are looking for unique, high quality pieces that reflect their personal style and the preferences. By offering customization and the attention to details, you can stand out for competition and attract loyal customer. When marketing your creation, it's important to be strategic and creative. By using a combination of website building, social media, and personal events, you can reach a variety of audience and build a strong following. By collaboration with other artists and offering customization, you can differentiate your product and attract new customer. Overall, wooden art and the project can be rewarding and the profitable ways to earn some money, whether you are a seasoned woodworker or just starting out. There is a plenty of opportunity to create beautiful, unique piece that people will love and want to buy. With dedication, hard work, and the commitment to quality and the craftsmanship, you can build a successful online business and earn money doing something you love. As you start your wooden art and the project business, it's important to keep in mind the legal and the logistic aspect of selling online. This including registration your business, obtaining a necessary license and the permits, setting up a payment procession, and the determining shipping and the handling fees.